Alright, so we already took out the hub nut to make this so we could remove the CV drive axles later. Then, you know, you gotta pick it up, take off all the bolts, pull it out, take out the center hub from the back. It is a little clip. You pull it and then you push it towards the back, and then this little guy will pop out of there. And so this is all apart just because deep down in there, right there, that is the differential bushing and mount right there. I'm going for that. I'm also going to be replacing bushing in here. You can't quite see, but let's see if we can get a little better. Well, doesn't matter. I'll show it better later. It's in here. The main thing that I'm thinking about is this cord here, which comes in and comes into the back of this. And then there's the hydraulic line here, which I assume this is the brake, and then this has got to be the parking brake. Which of course would be a good thing that I knew that one way or the other. But basically, I'm going to do a full rear end bushing job. I'm going to be doing the sway bar, rear sway bar, these rubber bushings on both sides, and couple, basically all of the ones that mount the motor, or I mean the differential. Jesus, brain farts. But right here in the rear here, this little fin guy, there are two, see them, 1 and 2. That here and here is also attached to the rear of the differential, just like there's one there and there's one on the opposing side. And this one is, oh, it's so bad. I could lift up on the motor, it's gone. It's just holding it in place at this point. The CV drive axles are okay. My problem that I'm figuring out is the exhaust there. You can kind of see, basically there is no room to pull this bolt out here without removing the exhaust. So I'm thinking about how I'm going to go about that, and then I got to replace the metal crush type seal gasket for the exhaust. And then I got to think about this hard line here. If I can pull this unit out here, this whole thing, which is got lots of stabilizers, and it's even attached down here. So just think about going about pulling this apart bit by bit, just kind of figuring it out, seeing if I have enough slack in this or not, this rubber hose, once I undo these clips here. Well, I mean, I don't like this metal right here. It's gonna be a little difficult, but we got it looped down, so it gives me a little bit of play. And then I've got I can undo it here, the rear brake cable, and see if I can nice and beefy. He has some cams in there or something. So, because we're just trying to get all of the bushings in the rear here, and it's gonna be a fun adventure of getting them all out.